Hi, readers. It's Miss Sunshine, and welcome to Bulldog Books. We are going to start off with our nonsense words. Now, remember, we are going to take a look at the nonsense words. We're going to read the first line together, and then Miss Sunshine is going to time you for 1 minute. And in that minute, you're going to read as many nonsense words as you can. If you finish the page before the end of the minute, then go back and start over. So let's take a look at the words that we are going to be working on today. So we're going to read the first line of words together. So the first line is wob, min, reg, lin, com. Okay, readers, are you ready? Get set, 1 minute, go. All right, and stop right there. Now, you're going to pause the video, go back and see how many of the nonsense words on this page you were able to read in 1 minute. Write it down somewhere and see if the score you got today is better than the score you got the last time you did this with me. Great. Now we're going to move on to our book. Ms. Sunshine read an article yesterday about how the malls are going to start being open again. So the title of this book is Malls, the Sound of M. And the author's name is Cynthia Amoroso, and then it's also got a co-author or a second author, and her name is Peg Ballard. So we are going to echo read this book, Malls, The Sound of M, which means Ms. Sunshine will read a page and then you will read a page. Take a look. I love this text feature. Remember, text features are ways that authors can help us better understand what is in the book they wrote. This is a map of the mall. We are going to read the different types of places in this mall together. Number 1, clothes. And then we look over and try and find the number 1, and that's where we're going to find all the stores in this mall that sell clothes. Number 2 is shoes. Can you find the number 2 on our map? Yes. 3 is pets. 4, toys. Can you find number 4? Yeah. Number 5 is books. 6 is food. And 7 is movies. Let's read page number 3. I made a map of the mall. Now your turn. The map of the mall shows us where to go. Your turn. The map of the mall shows us where the clothes are. The map of the mall shows us where the shoes are. The map of the mall shows us where the pets are. The map of the mall shows us where the toys are. Ooh, what do you think this part of the map would show us? Where the books are. Good job predicting based on that text feature. The map of the mall shows us where the food is. The map of the mall shows us where the movies are. The map of the mall shows us where to go. Let's take a look at all the words that start with the letter M. So on our word list, let's read these all together. Ready? Maid, oops, mall, map, and movies. Did you get all those M words? I hope you had fun reading with me all about this map of the mall. And hopefully someday soon you'll be able to visit a mall. Thanks for reading with me today, friends.